Updating your email address on SoundCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoundCloud website or open the app and log into your account using a current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Update email address. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Email. Enter your new email address in the appropriate field. Step 4. Save changes. After entering the new email address, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save Changes button to confirm your update. Step 5. Verify new email. Check your new email inbox for a verification email from SoundCloud. Click the verification link in the email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on SoundCloud will be successfully updated. Make sure to check your new email for any important notifications from SoundCloud.